Meaning of debar.
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 debar,
Debar. The word debar means to exclude or prevent someone or something from participating in an activity or entering a place. When someone is debarred, they are effectively banned or disallowed from doing something due to certain circumstances or rules. This can happen in various contexts such as legal proceedings, sports competitions, academic settings, and professional organizations. The consequences of being debarred can be severe and can lead to missed opportunities or loss of privileges. Therefore, it is important to understand the rules and regulations of a given situation to avoid being debarred.